How to clear history in Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can easily wipe it out. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find your contacts and people that you have added. Now, simply tap on the person whom you want to clear the history. So here I'm tapping on one. Now, here on the right top, tap on this three dot icon. Here, there's a section of clear history. Tap on clear history. Now make sure you want to clear the history. All the messages and all the files will be completely gone if you do so. Here on the bottom, tap on delete all messages, and at last tap on delete. So as you can see, it's completely wiped out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.